Do you want to speak English confidently, fluently, but you are afraid to speak? Hello friends, my name is Karan and I am from Bihar. Friends, this is my 10th video. As you know that I have taken 30-day challenge. In this 30-day challenge, I want to improve my English only. I not want to become fluent, only I want to improve my English. And today is my 10th day. Friends, let me tell you, when I am practicing from day 1 to day 10, I saw a lot of change in my communication. First one, my my confidence is building. I know that I fumble, I stuck, even I make not make correct sentence. When you watch my first video, and then you saw that I am a lot of fumble and I am using again and again friend word. But when you compare from my day 1 video to day 10 video, then you saw a lot of change. A lot of changes, because on day one I am looking here and there and making video because I am not confident. But when you see my 10th video, then you realize that I am making video by looking in front of camera, and I am making something less mistake. But when you saw my day 1 video, then on that video I make a lot of mistake. Yes, I know that in this video I am also making mistake while making video while I am speaking. I make a lot of mistake in this video also. But you compare from day 1 to day 10 video, then I know that something is less mistake in day 10th video. And this is happen because of only practice. Friends, if you practice, then your English will be improved, and if you not practice, then your English will never improve. This is the true, because I have listened that practice make man perfect, and I am using same thing. I am practicing daily. So if you want to become fluent or you want to improve English, then only one thing you do, that is practice. Friends, sorry, I know that you are beginner and I am also beginner. We make lot of mistake in this video, but by doing mistake, one day we will speak good English. So stay connected with me if you are beginner, and if you want to improve your English, then please subscribe my channel so that notification can reach upon you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for giving your time.